Hello, knife, flashlight, and hunting people. I need to dress a deer in darkness because deer often comes near the sunset. And this flashlight I have been using for a couple of years. It's dark, narrow, not very useful, especially for neck cutting. Cutting the side tendon between the skull and the first neck bone. Very precise cutting is needed. It's no good for that purpose. So I needed new, innovative ones. I got two pieces nearly at the same time. This is Fenix HL headlight 21. It's a very good stuff. This head loop is very unique and useful for a kid like this. This tension from inside, from the head, settle the length. I like this size from inside. It fixed. And for the helmet, this length is enough. Very good loop system it has. And light itself, it comes with this diffuser cap. It rounds, however, it is never expected to removed. Very tight, no problem. And open and close. Single push will activate the lamp. And long push will change the brightness in 3 steps: low, middle, high. And this beam, hot spot and halo, diffuser on, very plain, floody, and 2 continuous push will act. Just a moment. Will activate the SOS mode. It's a much innovative headlight. It's pretty light. $82 grams. My old one, 67. A little heavier because of this AA battery. This is CR123A battery. Waterproof. 3 brightness changing. SOS. Angle change. This unique length adjustment. $35. I'd like to wear this headlamp always. Not only for outdoor purpose, but also for indoor purpose. Highly recommended. This one. I wore this headlight for around 2 hours in my house to test how heavy it was. It's a heavy headlight. As you see, it's made of aluminum, as always. It's a Surefire. Minimus. Minimus something. You know. 3 Minimuses. Tactical and regular, whitish. This produces natural, neutral color. Different from this light. Very user-friendly. I can read a book for some hours with this light, and continuously I can change the brightness, and from low lumens to the off position, no click at all, so please be careful. And it can rotate all around. It's interesting. Powered by one cell CR123A battery. 126 grams. While this jet beam PC20 is not very good for outdoor search and rescue purpose, because kind of floody beam, but for house use, daily utility purpose, it's useful. So it's now my most favorite EDC rotation. 89 grams. 121 grams. More than 1 ounce heavier. This one. So my neck was very tired after wearing this one for a couple of hours. That's the problem. I see quality on this one. Aluminum body and continuously 3 switches will make a SOS mode. 1, 2, 3. And this SOS can change the brightness. As you see. I think it's dependable, but for my purpose, night gear dressing, to carry around in my pocket of hunting vest, too bulky and maybe too heavy. It's better. It fits my small pouch spare battery. No, it's not for this lamp. I ever used for this lamp. Anyhow, oh, I remember, larger one. Okay, and this one, like this, no problem. That's it. 140 draws. This money you can get 4 pieces of this one. 35 draws. This is my one. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.